2 refineries in Montreal, in New Brunswick, and there's plans to expand pipeline capacity or revert some existing pipeline to bring crude from Alberta to the maritime provinces. There's some projects to take it west. Some of the oil is making its way west. There's efforts to build pipelines west. There's environmental challenges to developing those pipelines. But clearly, regardless of what happens to Keystone, Canadian production will make its way to the U.S. market, whether it's Keystone or other ways, it will get there. But also, partly because of all the problems with Keystone, there's strong political will, strong policy determination in Canada to not depend entirely on the U.S. market, but to find other markets for the Canadian crude. And we will see Canadian crude move to the East Coast and to the West Coast, and potentially it could be exported from there to the Asian market or even to the European market. You'll notice that in our map, we didn't put any arrows linking Canada to Asia or linking Canada to Europe. It's not that we don't think it's possible. We're not really sure how it's going to play out politically. There's many challenges to that. But also, we don't necessarily think it will happen on a large scale in the next 5 years. It might be more a story for beyond that.
Just to follow up before we go to the next question, but please come to the microphone. You talked about how the light tight oil boom is changing investment decisions. You also showed CapEx skyrocketing. What's the impact of that in the market, and how is that affecting investment decisions, and where are we seeing that impact companies?
Yeah, well, there's a lot of investment in capacity, and so some of it is in traditional conventional plays, and there's new investment directed at mature plays like the North Sea, which has been performing very well. Norwegian production fell at the slowest rate of decline of the last few years. So there's significant changes there. And we also see many companies around the world investing in non-conventional production in North America because it's a growth area, but also to acquire technology, to acquire know-how, and to be able to then transfer that technology and that know-how to new players.
Please.
Hi, my name is Bruce Robb. I'm a private investor. My question has to do with, you made a comment about technology, the enabling technology for some of